Long ago, in the lands of Bani Israel, a king ruled whose power was unlike any other. He commanded not only humans but also jinn, birds, and the winds. This is the powerful story of Sulaiman السلام, the prince of wisdom and miracles. Hazrat Sulaiman al-Islam was the son of Dawood al-Islam, a noble prophet and just king of Bani Israel. Allah blessed Sulaiman al-Islam with extraordinary wisdom, deep understanding, and a powerful kingdom. He inherited both prophethood and kingship, becoming one of the most remarkable rulers in history. Allah granted Sulaiman al-Islam a kingdom that no ruler had ever possessed before. His armies included humans, jinn, and birds, all marching together in perfect order. The winds themselves moved by Allah's command, carrying him across vast lands. Among many blessings given to Sulaiman al-Islam was a unique gift. Allah allowed him to understand the language of animals and birds. One day he heard an ant warning its colony to hide from the approaching army, and Sulaiman al-Islam smiled with gratitude to Allah.
For your endless blessings and guidance.
Among the birds in his army was a small but intelligent hudhud. One day the hudhud returned with surprising news from a distant kingdom. He told Sulaiman al-Islam about the queen of Sheba and her people who worshipped the sun instead of Allah. Sulaiman al-Islam sent a letter to the queen inviting her and her people to worship Allah alone. The message was clear and powerful. Do not exalt yourself against me, but come to me in submission. Curious about his wisdom and power, the queen of Sheba decided to visit his kingdom. Before the queen arrived, Sulaiman al-Islam asked his court who could bring her throne before she reached. A powerful jinn offered to bring it quickly, but a man blessed with knowledge brought it in the blink of an eye. Seeing his maker, Sulaiman al-Islam humbly said, "This is the form of favor of my Lord to test whether I am grateful." When the queen of Sheba witnessed these signs, she recognized the truth and believed in Allah. Despite ruling one of the greatest kingdoms in history, Sulaiman al-Islam remained humble and thankful to his Lord. This story teaches us that power lies not in wealth or armies, but in wisdom, gratitude, and obedience to Allah.